So a couple of years ago, after we got the bright idea of the long term, we were like, we gonna get a compound for the people. But you know what they said? I said, that's never gonna happen. I said, Josh is never gonna get a compound. And well, it always looks one way. But shout out to Long Term, and I'd like to welcome you to Long Term Ranch, baby. Oh yeah, now that that's out the way, I bought a farm. This is real, 30 acres in Southern California, 1 to 2 hours away from every major airport. And my favorite part, it has a view. So long-term ranch, the farm, the cult compound, the stock streaming house, whatever you want to call it, we finally did it in a long time coming. And truly, man, my goal and true intention is to give this to the people and to give it to God. I hope this is these grounds, bro, that I'm walking. I haven't made a walking video in so long, bro. And like, this is our land. So I look forward to it, and I hope this is the grounds of some really, really good things. And I want to talk about that. I want to talk about my invitation to all of you and how we're going to do this, and how I think that I want to see what happens if you give this to the people. What is this going to end up looking like? So I'm going to make two videos. I'm going to make one video going over all of the financials and the real information that I want you to get out of it. And then this video, I'm excited. We just got it. I want you to see it. And, we've been talking about it for so long now. So this is where you guys could email me and we could get involved in all of that. But we do need to talk about the long term, because literally the ground that I'm standing on, this is a nice trophy. It is brought to you by the long term. I used the large account. I did sell out to buy this property. Now, I already thought the large account was unrealistic, $3,000 a month. So I figured this is a very good purpose, because a lot of people were asking me when to sell, how to sell, and they were doing it some disingenuously and some were really wanting to know how. And like I've always said, you don't sell. This is 10 years minimum. Act as if you cannot change your mind. It's very simple. The only reason you could sell is for a house. So I know, I say I'm never going to sell. I say I'm never going to sell. And I know that, because then now when you ask me, I'm like, oh, you sold. Yeah, exactly. To buy the property. This is exactly what you guys should be doing. And I hope this is a good example. And actually, the crazy part, this isn't even the first time that I've done this. I did this with Bitcoin, and we bought that live and turned that into a house. I should have bought back in, but I didn't. But that was the first example. But the long term, you guys have seen us grow it and build it. And now I think this is going to be a good example. And I hope you all do the same. And then we're going to rebuild. That's actually the crazy part, because I get to rebuild, and you guys are going to get that opportunity to see that and be there and all of that. So I'm really excited. I look forward to all of this, even getting to meet some of you guys. So I don't know, man. Where do we start? Bro, I'm here by myself. I could be really weird. I'm here. No one's here. This is great. So yeah, bro, you guys remember? Only the OGs would remember this. You remember when I did a video in a dog cage? You got this kind of weird, but yeah, we could do it in a horse cage thing now. But yeah, I do need to talk about the long term though, in the small account, because we did use the big account for this property, but I did not touch the original long term account, the one where we started with $200 a month, then raised it to $300 a month. This one is still untouched. That's everything we bought alongside of it. There's even a couple of names that we didn't get in the other account that are doing better. So we are still on the same exact process. And that's what we've been talking about as of late. So you get to watch the big one get rebuilt, and we are still chugging along with that. So I hope you stay tuned for all of it. Now, yeah, I don't know. Should we go to your guys' house? Oh, yeah, let's go. So, first thing is, who wants to take care of animals? That's the first thing, actually, that we might need. So, hold on. All right. So, you're going to hear me talk about this in the financial video, but like this property, one of the reasons why I got it, because there's like a value add. So, even part of this too, like if we give it to the people, this turns out terrible, none of this ends up working, there is a backup plan, either Airbnb, but my priority, actually, the one thing I'd want to do is just flip it because we got it at a good deal. I think it is an instant value add. And the whole idea would be first priority coat. Hopefully, this could be an event center forever. But if not, we could always fix it up and make some money off of it. And now here's the thing: there's a couple of interesting living situations, is what we'll call it. So the main house is really nice. Everything else is pretty much trash. So it's trash depending on how you view it. So if anybody would be taking care of animals, this is where you would be. Here, maybe I should show. This would be your unit. Here, I think I might have someone else. I might have the other guy come with me, and then we do the video. So maybe you can see it a little better. But yeah, this is it. Just so you get a full, it's like a full room, a full like house, one bathroom, one bedroom, and then yeah, you take care of animals. But now here's the deal: the person who lived here before, they like there was two people. The person who lived here took care of the animals, but then they had another groundskeeper, and then they literally just the right there. I don't know if you see it. There's like steps, and they put an RV there, and then the groundskeeper just hooked up his RV, and then yeah, that's where he lived. So that is what I can offer. If you want to take care of mini cows and help raise the first Wagyu cow. So many other things. I also hope if anybody has ideas for other stuff, and this is where I'm saying, man, like with this, bro, maybe I might sit on these steps, bro. I am really open to ideas and I want a lot of ideas. Oh, wait, I actually have a good spot I could go chill out with the view. There's still a view from here too, though. But yeah, man, whatever ideas you guys have, I have a couple with farming, and then there's a couple of programs. And like, dude, if you're willing to try and experiment stuff, I mean, I hope this could be the opportunity. And at the very least, the land and the biggest thing is actually covered. So other than that, I don't really know where to begin, man. Like I'm telling you, like it's still like empty, and we're gonna add some stuff. Like this is what I'm saying, bro. But like this is the land. Like I was walking down the mountain. This is from the house, but like this is where we're gonna like put stuff in. So maybe this is a better view of the land. And yeah, that's what you guys gotta like clear out. But like this is what I'm walking. And then yeah, you got the barn, but dude, it's a lot of space. And yeah, I don't want to reveal too much yet. So like I take you on the walk with it. And I'm at like a loss for words, bro. Look at this beautiful tree. I just discovered this. Oh, it's chill. Oh, this is beautiful. But yeah, man. So here, I like I said, email me if you guys want to come out. And then let me just tell you now that my plan is end of August. We are going to have the first event. So I think either 20 to 100 people could come out either for one weekend or just for one day. We're still trying to figure that out. So there's like rooms to sleep in. Obviously, we can't have everybody, but yeah, that's my goal. So I don't have the process for getting that sorted for now, but or at least not on this video. But like I said, we're just got it. We just talked about it so much. I want you guys to see it. And yeah, if you have ideas, now is the time. And then yeah, but by end of August, I hope I see you. So yeah, like dude, I'm still walking. Oh hell no, bro. See? What was that? I ain't cut out for this. So here's like another side of it, but theoretically it's like a creek, bro. It looks pretty dope. And then, bro, we got another stable. So dude, there's like three. I'm not even this is the only ring I've shown you. So yeah. This is where the animals, trees, super nice. And I gotta walk back to my car. Yeah, so I don't have an ATV. I think I'm gonna just get a Jeep instead of an ATV. But so I'm saying, I don't know. It's like there's a couple of simple parts to it. It's just massive, and yeah. So this is part one. I don't know if this was a good video to highlight it, but maybe it makes you curious. And what's this? See, this is another mountain. I'm not gonna do that. I'm tired, bro. Yeah. So I'm already far from my car. This is weird. I've never been on a house, so I've been like, oh, where's my car to walk back home? So yeah, Chad, just even filming this. But I'll see you soon. This is so I'm saying, bro. It looks for I'm driving it. So, see, there's a trail. I haven't seen this one. I don't think it goes. Oh shit! Sorry, G wagon. Let's see. I guess I'm trying it for the first time, you guys. I need an ATV, but ooh, this is kind of tight. I might have to reverse it, like Missy Elliott. Oh no, we're good. Ooh, it's tight up here, boys. Oh, it's tight up there. Can we fit, Chad? Oh, that's a rock. Oh, Chad, I did it. Oh, okay, that's cool. So yeah, look. Now it's gonna drive me to the driveway. I could have took it to the stall. Yeah, bro. Ta-da! Wow. So yeah, you think you get it? That's why, bro. I just tried to film and then I got a little lost with this, bro. So yeah, but you know what, baby? America. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, man. Now I'm at the main house. See, you got like the nice doors. It's nice, man. I'm gonna chill. This video has been terrible so far. I just went back. I watched some of the clips, bro, but I'm just really excited. I don't think I showed you probably like half of it, maybe. And yeah, I was like walking and talking and all of it. And it's really simple, man. I want you guys to come out and, like I'm saying, I want to see everyone's effect on this place, and how that's gonna happen is because you ain't coming here without bringing anything. So, like I said, whether we do a weekend, a day, or however, and again, we own this. So if this all works out well, the real big thing is actually that this is the first. I've had this plan for a while, and if this goes well, I mean, we could turn a lot of other houses all around this beautiful country into little event places. But for now, this our work is cut out for us, and yeah, I want you guys to come here, but you got to bring something. So if you can't cover whatever the fee is, that's fine. This will be our first shot at distributism. What can you bring? How can you help out? Again, you guys are creative. We do need designers. We need architects. We need actual buildings. You guys say you have companies and all that. So if you want to be involved, there's no obligation. That's the best part about it. We got here this far just with that little law term. So I'm very, very excited. I want to show you guys the view, but if I show you the view, they're going to reveal the location. I can't show it. I said I'm down to show the location, but when I was talking about this live on stream, the Chad said to keep it a secret. So we will do that, but this is how it's going to work too. So end of August when we have the first meetup, we do need to verify. So if you're not willing to like ID and like low key background check before coming, then yeah, you could just watch the videos. But if you are cool with that, you will be given an address, and you will meet at that address. You will meet somebody. I don't know. Maybe I will call him Alfred or Butler or Uncle or whoever you want to call him. You got to give him. Everybody's going to be given something, a certain phrase or word or color or handshake. Who knows? And then you got to identify the guy. You got to tell him he'll be wearing the jacket. You got to give him what you've been given, and then he'll give you something back. You got to confirm it, and then he's gonna take your phone and everything. Now, this is getting really crazy, huh? And like honestly, I was even saying the video, bro. Like, come on, like weird rich dude buying like a little. This is like Michael Jackson. Come ride horses. Okay, this is getting weird. Anyways, but so yeah, man. I don't want it to be weird, but that's why I think I don't know. I want to keep a high standard and keep this safe for everybody, and we already got a lot of people helping out on that front too. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and if this works out, man, to many more Chads. So oh man, I'm just gonna look out into this. It's beautiful, man. You see this? I don't know if you see. I'm like basking in this. Oh dang, son. They're gonna say this AI. You think this AI, son? This all real? I look small, bro. Someone gonna talk shit anyway. You lift, or do you? I'm gonna do. This is. I made it to the mountain, bro. Remember I said I was gonna just sell everything, go to the mountain and pray. So, and that's the thing. Maybe this is. What do you guys think? We turn to option rehab center. I thought of a reality show, 30 days. I give people rules, and then they will see who breaks the rules and who follows them, and then their performance. But yeah, and then this place, there's not going to be any alcohol here. There's not going to be any drug use, no weed. You could do, I don't care what you do outside of here. These are, like I said, man, I want good things coming out of here. So none of that will be allowed. Yeah. Other than that, bro, I want it to be again. I want to build a spot because, like, dude, the first time I set foot on this, like, I'm excited now. Shooting this video, we could do anything, animals, all this stuff. Like, I don't know. You probably hear my air purifier in the back, but yeah, bro, this is beautiful, and God is good, man. And I think it's a relaxing place, and I do love California. So I can't believe we were able to pull this off, bro. You have no idea. Chest to the sun, bro. Like literally, that's what's happening right now on our mountain. You know, we're on a mountain. Like see. So yeah, I don't want to show too much. You tell me after this video, since this was such a raw, like I just you tell me. Should I show more? Should I show less? And then yeah, we'll get into the finances and all of that. But amen.